Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching Tech. On our channel, we already uploaded two different videos showing how to enable Seamless AOD feature on OnePlus devices like Note C5 and Note C4. The first one uses an APK method, but unfortunately to install that APK you need to disable signature verification root module, so it's not useful for non-rooted users. In the second video, we shown you non-root method using Shizuku and SetEdit to enable Seamless AOD. However, that method also requires running few commands. Now the original creator of this mod has introduced an even simpler method that lets you enable Seamless AOD using just single application. So in today's video we are going to check out this new application and its setup process. Before we continue, please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. It really motivates me to bring more useful content for you. Now without further delay, let's get started. This method works on any non-rooted OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 15 and above version, whether it's stock or ported build. I'm just demonstrating this process on my Note 5 which already has Seamless AOD feature. However, this method has been tested by several users and confirmed to be working on supported devices. All credit for this mod goes to original developer JD Range King, who has already shared this method on OnePlus community. So let's begin. First, download the new AOD Halt application developed by JD Range King and install it. Next, download the Shizuku application from Play Store. If you don't know how to set up Shizuku application, check the video link given in the description or tap on the iCard link. I already covered the complete setup process there. Open Shizuku application and grant the notification permission. Then tap on the pair option, select developer option. Developer option page will open. There enable wireless debugging toggle. Tap on the wireless debug option. Now tap on the pair device with pairing code. Enter the pairing code shown on the screen into the heads up notification and tap on the arrow button. Once pairing is successful, go back to Shizuku application. Then tap on the start option. And after a few seconds you will see Shizuku is running. Now open this Authorize Application section and enable the toggle for AOD Halt application. Next, open the AOD Halt application. At the top right corner of this application you will see Shizuku is authorized in green text. If it appears in a red color, recheck your Shizuku setup. To demonstrate how this application switches between Seamless AOD and Standard AOD, I will open my device AOD settings. However, you should not open the AOD settings for your device. I will explain reason behind this at the end of this video. Simply tap on the Seamless AOD option in application and authenticate it using fingerprint or PIN access. You will now see a circular notification confirming that AOD mode has been changed to always on display Seamless AOD. This means Seamless AOD has been successfully enabled. On devices that originally didn't have this feature, once you lock your device, you will see the new Seamless AOD text and clock animation as per the theme you are using. If you want to switch back to standard AOD mode, simply tap on the same option again. It will change the AOD mode back to standard AOD. In this way, you can easily switch between standard AOD and Seamless AOD mode without running any commands like we had done in a previous non-root method. Once you have completed the setup, you can close both applications after selecting your preferred AOD mode. Whenever you want to switch AOD modes again, just open the Shizuku application, launch the AOD Halt application and tap the AOD setting. For OnePlus devices that already supports Seamless AOD, Full Screen AOD and Standard AOD, this application can also be used as quick shortcut to switch between these modes. One important precaution you have to take: don't open the OnePlus AOD settings after enabling the Seamless AOD. If you do it, it will automatically revert back to standard AOD. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus, OxygenOS and Android mods. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.